Record muna natin, no? Alright.
Recording in progress.
Good morning everyone sa lahat ng ating mga makakapanood nito, whether it be live or recorded. So again, good morning. So ngayon meron akong i-share sa inyo, no? So tatlong bagay lang naman. Number one, yung company right now na pinagkakaguluhan hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas kundi ng buong mundo, sa buong industriya ng direct selling. Kasi nga kakaiba po talaga ang konseptong to. Alright? So, I want you to be open kasi kakaiba po ito. Baka manibago ka. Okay? So, ngayon, number two, madidiscover din po natin ang products na, of course, high quality. And at the same time, magugulat ka. Bakit? Very affordable. Okay? And number three, madidiscover mo ang klase, no? Or type ng business model na meron ito kung bakit naging angat to sa iba. Right? And madiscover mo rin later on kung paano mo ito mamamaximize. Paano ka dito kikita. Alright? So ngayon, focus ka and syempre, gusto lang din kitang pasalamatan for coming in or for tuning in and I'll make it sure, no, may kasabihan nga tayo, no, na time is gold, therefore time is money. So make it sure talaga na hindi masasayang yung oras mo dito, no, na pag tinapos mo ito, ang aking isi-share sa iyo na presentation is that magkakaroon ka ng value dito. Okay? So ngayon, before tayo mag-proceed, so syempre magpapakilala muna ako. Ayan, sino ba tong speaker, no? Ayan, tong cute na speaker. Ayan, sabay ganun, no? So, anyhow, right? So, ayan, welcome everyone, no, sa inyong lahat. Whether you be first timer, ayan, kung na-invite ka lang po dito na manood. So, welcome. I'm Coach Mark Aldagasdas, 23 years of age and one of the Live Good pillar. Actually, lahat po tayo ay sa ano pa lang, pillar stage. Right? So, that means nasa first 2 years pa lang po ang company. Hindi pa po yung pioneer. I'm also a professional network marketer. So, I've been in this industry for quite a while na rin. So, kahit pa paano nagkaroon na rin tayo ng wisdom kung paano kumilatis, pumili ng isang matinong kumpanya. Ayan. So, I'm also one of the youngest speakers bureau sa team namin sa DMW. So, I've been blessed na, makapag-inspire and makapag-share, especially sa ating mga kapwa na mga Gen Zs. Ayan, shout out po sa ating lahat na mga Gen Zs dyan, no, na nanonood. So, one of the full-time na rin po tayo dito, no, sa ating company and I'm also the founder of my team, Zeal Empire. Ayan, shout out po sa ating entire team dyan. Kung nanonood man po kayo, no, yan, you can comment dyan if you are part of my team. Right? I'm also right now platinum rank member and very soon in God's will, no, in its perfect time, so hitting our next rank, which is a diamond. So this presentation is not all about me. You don't get me wrong. It's all about the your goals, your dreams, okay, your plans in life, kung paano ba yan makukuha through the help of this opportunity. And I'm so excited to share this with you. Kasi di natin alam, baka ito na yung answer sa prayer mo. Alright, so proceed po tayo. Welcome, yan, welcome everyone to Live Good. So ito po yung sinasabi ko sa inyong company right now na pinagkakaguluhan, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, kundi ng buong mundo. Kasi nga, kakaiba po talagang meron dito, which is later on, i-discuss din po natin. Alright, so before tayo mag-proceed, syempre, let me first correct, no, or itama natin yung expectations mo, no. So meron po muna tayong disclaimer. Yan, so the information provided in this presentation does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should treat any content as such. Nothing this presentation should be taken as an offer to buy, sell, or hold a cryptocurrency. So hindi po tayo nagte-trade dito, nagbabuy and sell ng crypto. Okay, so gateway lang po yan or mode of pay-in and pay out. Ayan. So take note then that Live Good is not an investment company. Okay, let me repeat, Live Good is not an investment company. If you are looking for an investment company, well, you are in the wrong presentation kasi business opportunity po ang ina-attendan nyo ngayon. Okay, it is illegal for a promoter participant na program to persuade anyone to make a payment promising benefits from getting others to join. Yan. So what tayo pinapromise dito, no, na within short period of time, within this certain amount of times na kikita ka ng ganitong kalaki, so wala po yan. Okay? Hindi tayo nagpa-promise. So ang ating results po dito, magvavary po yan sa time, effort, and seriousness na ilalaan po natin dito. Okay? Do not be misled by claims that high earnings are easily achieved. So, of course, later on, may share ko sa inyo ng some of the proof na may kumikita din dito. But it doesn't mean na ganun din in short period of time, ganun din kaagad yung kikitain mo. Again, our results here may vary. Okay, you must do your own independent research prior to engaging in any kind of business activity, including any activity when you have expectations of specific high results or any financial returns. In short, mag-research ka kung nagdududa ka, natatakot ka, no, na baka ma-scam ka. So, I suggest na mag-research ka. But, syempre, nandito ka naman syempre, mas maganda na patapusin mo na lang to and para maintindihan mo kung ano ba talaga ang meron dito sa Live Good. Right? So, ngayon, meron muna akong i-share sa inyo na short video presentation, kumbaga glimpse or parang bird's eye view on who and what Live Good is. Okay? So, focus po tayo kasi ito na kumbaga yung summary, okay, ng about sa Live Good. So, let's watch this first. Nasasalita po dito actually ang aming CEO, si Ben Glinsky. Right? So, yan, let's watch the short video of our CEO, Ben Glinsky.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago, while companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the power line. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Alright, see you all at the top. So at least right now, meron na kayong glimpse or konting idea on who and what Live Good is. So of course, syempre, mas i-expound natin kung ano yung sinabi ng ating CEO sa videong to. Kaya again, tune in ka lang, don't tune out. Yan. So welcome. Welcome again everyone to Live Good. Yan. Live Good officially launched globally on December 13, 2022. Okay, so magto 2 years pa lang po, 1 year mahigit pa lang po si Live Good, no? So si Live Good is a US-based direct sales company focused in these two things, right? The wellness and digital service industry. So alam naman po natin, no, wellness, so health is wealth. So as long as may tao, kailangan natin magpaka-healthy. Okay? And of course, the rapid growth of technology. So hindi rin natin mapipigilan. And the good thing is that inadapt po yan ng ating company dito sa Live Good. Okay, ang ating fulfillment center po ay nasa Jupiter Park, Florida. Right? So, ngayon, si Live Good po is a membership that pays. Ngayon, kung bago sa iyo itong tinatawag ng membership, yan, later on, mas ipapaliwanag natin yan. Alright? So, unlike most home business opportunities, Live Good is not about overpriced products, literally. But we are about saving people money on health products. Now, if you have a passion for health and wellness, passion for helping people, and you're not looking for get-rich-quick scheme, then definitely this is for you. So, ngayon, before ka mag-isip na, pare-pareho lang yan sila. Yan. So, before mo isipin yung mga ganung mga bagay, so let us compare muna, no, kung ano bang pinagkaiba ni Live Good sa mga traditional direct selling or MLM companies. O baka meron tayong mga floating networkers dito, may mga nagmamasid lang, may mga leaders dito na nagtatago. Yan, nanonood na kagaya sa amin, no, dati floating din kami, no. So, ngayon, dito namin naintindihan. Iba po pala talaga si Live Good. Okay? So, ano bang meron sa mga traditional companies? So, ngayon, this is not to bring other companies down or what. This is just to compare para mas ma-appreciate, no, na kung anong meron talaga dito. Number one, sa mga traditional companies, may mga product package. Okay? So, required, kumbaga mandatory. Sa una pa lang na pag-join mo, di ba? May product ka na, package. Right? So, nabentahan ka na. Diba? And, ang mostly niyan, sa mga product packages na yan ay overpriced. Aminin man natin sa hindi, overpricing. Okay? Yung mga ginagawa ng mga companies sa kanilang products. Right? And ito pa, left and right pairing system. Kailangan balance kasi kung isang leg lang, hindi ka kikita. Kailangan dalawa. Kung mas malaki yung isang side mo, nako, mangamba ka, di ba? Oh. So, number 4, monthly maintenance on Unilevel. Kailangan mong bumili ng products every single month. Okay? Para no, makuha mo yung commission mo, makuha mo, ay ma-maintain mo yung rank mo. Okay, number 5, fifth pair incentive. Income na, naging puntos pa, points. Na-experience namin yan. No? So, income na sana kasi safety net yan ng company eh. Right? Yung tinatawag na safety net para maging long term siya. Pero ganun pa rin, di ba? Nag-overpay out. Alright? Ganun pag binary eh. And number 6, limit of encoding. Ito yung, alam mo, yung talagang monitor ka. Sobrang monitor mo. Wait lang ka mag-encode kasi number 7 pa flash out. Safety net din po yan. Kasi pagka unlimited mag-encode, ano mangyayari? Magko-collapse. Okay, magko-collapse ang plan ng kumpanya. Alright? Kumbaga mag-overpay out. Yan. Kaya may number 7 flash out, 'di ba? Kahit ilang thousands of hundreds, 6 figures, 7 figures man 'yan. Isang pagkakamali lang, nag-encode lang ng sobra yung kabila. Whether it be 5, 6, 7, iwan ko kung ilang pairs ba 'yan, no? Yan, iba-iba naman yung kumbaga iba-iba yung complan, iba-ibang company. Pero ganun eh, flash out. Pagka talagang sumobra, yan, bye-bye. Yan, yung mga inipon mo. Kahit 100,000 yan or million, bye-bye, goodbye. Dahil sa flash out, back to zero in short. Okay? Ayan, sa mga traditional natin na mga networker dyan, no? Ayan, so makaka-relate kayo. Okay, and number 8, unexplained deductions. No, like miscellaneous fees, processing fees. I don't know if talagang totoo yan. And number 9, high attrition. Because of those reasons, mas maraming mga taong umalis kaysa sa mga nag-stay. And yung ganyang klaseng system po, obsolete na. Kumbaga, old technology. Okay, old technology na po siya. And andito na po, the good thing is that, andito na po si Live Good. Okay, the new technology. Alright, ano bang meron dito? Number 1, wala na ditong product package. Di ka dito bebentahan ng mga package na mga number 2, overpriced pa yung products. Wala na yan dito. And yan, good thing. Wala na ring pairing. Okay, di mo na kailangang magbalanse ng mga leg para kumita ka lang. Kahit isang leg lang. Ako, basta matulungan mo lang yan kumita. Yan. Kikita ka talaga din. Alright? And number 4, monthly maintenance on Unilevel. So, hindi ka na dito pipilitin bumili ng products every single month para ma-maintain yung rank, para makuha mo yung commission mo. Wala na yan. Okay? And good thing kasi bakit? Lahat dito pure income. Wala na tayong pair incentive. Yan. Unlimited encoding. Mag-encode ka hanggat sa gusto mo. Okay? So, ganun kaganda. Kasi nga, kakaiba na nakadesign ang ating complan. And number 7, here's a good thing. Wala na ring flash out. So, hindi ka nakakabahan baka mamula or what. Okay, na masasayang yung pinag-ipunan mo for how many months. Wala na po yan. And number 8, unexplained deductions, wala na rin yan. Okay, very transparent po. Nasa back office. High stickability. Mas marami ang mga nag-stay kaysa sa mga, of course, may mga umaalis. Okay, pero mas marami talaga nag-stick because of the concept, right? Because of nature of the business na meron dito sa Live Good, right? And not just that, here are some of the reasons why you should consider joining this company, Live Good. Number 1, we have these amazing products. Siyempre, pagka US company, no questions na yan. Okay, amazing talaga yung mga products nila. Okay, not just that, marami namang amazing products out there eh. Tama? Pero ang tanong, kumusta yung lang nga. Di ba? Ang bigat, ang hirap i-maintain. Amazing nga, kaso nga lang, hindi mo kayang i-maintain kasi nga, ang mahal, in short. Pero dito, later, mayroon tayong price comparison, magugulat ka. Kaya no wonder, ito pinagkakagulan, especially in US. US right now is, of course, the number 1 fastest country dito sa Live Good kasi nga, grabe yung in-offer na value na meron dito talaga sa Live Good. Okay? And 3 and 4, no auto shipping and monthly products to buy. Again, ulitin ko, hindi ka na dito pipilitin bumili ng products. Literally. Okay? Every month. Wala na yan. And number 5, 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. So, kumbaga, it pertains sa ating product no, within 90 days, pag hindi mo nagustuhan o nagkaroon ka ng adverse effects sa health mo, okay? Pwede mong sauli yung lalagyan ng products and no questions asked, ibabalik sa iyo yung pera mo. Ganon kaganda. And number 6, number 1, business to join. literally. Kung naghahanap ka ng best opportunity, best company, no, na very doable, anyone can do it, okay, everywhere you can do it as well, consider this one. Consider Livegood. Okay? So, yan, i-discuss pa natin later on. So, ito, pwede kayong pumunta po na sa Scam Advisor. Alright? And actually, meron pang other websites. So, hindi ko lang nasama po dito. You can check at the rating. So far, ayan, pag i-type po dyan yung livegood.com, ang trust score po natin, 100 over 100. Okay? Ayan. So, pag nag-search ka dyan ng ibang website, no, ng ibang company, pagka mas mababa pa dyan, 50, ayan, or 30, or mas mababa pa, so, kabahan ka na. Okay? Kabahan ka na. Alright? So, ganun po ka-trusted itong company. So, naghahanap ka talaga ng, of course, legit, consider Livegood. Okay? So, ikaw na po mag-research. Baka sabihin mong inedit ko, ha? O ikaw na mag-type scamadvisor.com, search mo dyan sa search a website, livegood.com. Yan po mismo yung lalabas. Okay? So, ito naman po ay nagkaroon po ng voting po, no? Ang ito sa business for home po ito hiya. Ito siya, no? Kumbaga, parang ito po, parang Forbes magazine ng direct selling company. So, buong mundo po to, no, na pinagbobotohan, no, iba't ibang companies. Right? So ito, si Livegood, I think it was mga 4 months pa lang po ito siya, no? So grabe, nag-top 5 po si Livegood. Not just that, nag-top 2 po siya, most trusted direct sales company and the top direct selling company by 2024. And here's the good news, sa first year po ni Livegood, grabe, bakit? Okay? Sobra pa sa kalahati ang na-pay out. Guys, this is payout. That is 50 million US dollar or 2.7 billion pesos. Sinong kumpanya nakagawa ng ganun? Wala. Wala akong nakita ng company gumawa ng ganun na nagbigay ng payout. Payout yan, ha? Imagine mo, yung sales ng company's first year, umabot po ng around 90 million USD. Sobra pa sa kalahati yung na-payout. Grabe. No? Oh. So, ganun tayo ka. Ganda. Alright? Na nakikita natin na this is for long term. No? This is for long term. Naghahanap ka ng long term na company na maglalagay ka ng effort na darating yung time, magkakaroon ka ng time and financial freedom, passive and residual income. Well, here's the opportunity. Livegood. Okay? Oh. Di ba? So, ganun kalupit. That is last year po ha, 2023. Abangan nyo po this year. Alright? Abangan nyo this year. Magkano kaya? Ayun. Alright. So, ngayon, ano bang mission ni Livegood? Simple lang. Gano'n kasimple? Help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Simple, no? But very powerful. So, ngayon, ito naman po ang ating corporate team. So, ito guys, tip lang po, no, sa mga dito naghahanap or even mga networkers na, no? Okay? Kasi mostly naman sa atin dito is mga, mga local companies lang yung mga sinasalihan, di ba? Though meron naman dito mga may international din, pero pag sasali ka sa isang company, kailangan i-consider mo yung tinatawag nating 4 Ps. Right? Ulitin ko 4 Ps. 4 na P. Hindi po yung sa government natin namimigay ng ayuda, hindi po yun. Okay? 4 Ps. The company profile. Okay? The people behind the company. Kailangan alam mo yan. Kung nagtatago, kabahan ka na. Right? Kasi kumikita ka man dyan sa short term, pero in the long term, it will not be. Right? Kasi company owner nagtatago eh. 'Di ba? Oh, number 2, ano pa? Products. Ano bang products? May matinong products ba? Okay ba siya? Na-try mo na ba? Ayan, okay? Oh, products. Kailangan alam mo din. Number 3 is pricing. Okay? Na-justify ba ng pricing yung products? Eh baka mamaya sobrang overpriced naman, pero yung quality yun lang, 'di ba? Oh, or di kaya saktuhang quality lang tapos yung pricing naman mataas ako. Okay? So, pricing. Later on, makikita nyo yung pricing natin. Ay, grabe. Super duper the best. Okay? And of course, number 4 is pay plan. Yan. Pwede ba siyang magawa ng mga ordinary people? Yung mga everyday people, as we say, no? Yan. Or, kaya ba yung gawin ng mga talagang, seryoso sa negosyo and kumita talaga ng profitable? Ayan. So, kailangan, yung 4 P's na yan, i-consider nyo. Okay? So, ngayon, dito muna tayo sa first P, the profile. Okay, sino ba yung mga company owners natin? So, ayan, kailangan alam nyo. So, let's start with our CEO. So, sa ating CEO pa lang, may confident ka na. Why? 20 years na po siya. Hindi po siya yung taong pinanganak lang kahapon tapos nagtayo ng company. Hindi po. Kasi marami mga, lalo na din sa atin, hindi naman sa paninira or 'di ba? Kasi may mga, mga first timers. Ginagawang experiment lang yung kumpanya. Tapos, gagawa ulit ng bagong company. Alam niyo yun? Kasi kami, experience po namin yan. We've been an experiment. Alam niyo po? 'Di ba? Kasi nagpabago-bagong sistema eh. Okay? But so far with our CEO, no, so hindi ko siya fully known, but sa experience namin kasi 1 year na po kami mahigit dito, grabe po, sobrang smooth po lahat. Okay, the system, hindi po tayo nagbago-bago ng sistema, bagkus nag-i-improve pa, okay, nagdadagdag okay, ng mga opportunity within the products, grabe. Again, ang ating CEO po, veterano. Why? 20 years na po siyang owning and running some of the most successful companies in the industry. Right? And in his previous companies nga po, no, until now, actually, pa po, kumbaga, bukas pa po yung ibang companies niya, pero ito talaga yung main na company niya, itong si Livgo talaga. Okay? Combined sa mga previous companies niya, close to $1 billion na po na payout na commission. So that speaks, and ito, very hands-on, maririnig nyo po siya sa ating Friday call, Thursday call, okay, ang ating CEO, Firestarter Friday. Okay? So, siya po mismo, very transparent, no? Pagka nagkakaroon ng slight problem with the delay, no? Sa products natin, tapos naayos talaga. So, very hands-on and maririnig nyo po talaga ang ating CEO. Right? So, very professional, as in masasabi yung professional. And, hindi siya nagfe-favor. Alam niyo po yun? Wala siyang pini-favor. Whether you're being everyday people, kasi nag-message pa ako sa kanya. And nag-reply naman. Di ba? Oh, awesome. Ayan, nag-message akong mahaba. Siyempre, alam ko, CEO eh. So, at least, di ba, na-replyan. As in, grabe po talaga. I've never seen a CEO like this one. Okay? And, masasabi kong genius. Masasabi ko talaga siya ay parang parang Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk of direct selling industry. Okay? Kasi very genius yung concept and everything na meron dito. And syempre, kasama po natin dito, kasama niya, our corporate team, si Noder. So ito naman po ay siya po yung actually nag-introduce sa industry kay Ben. Right? And siya rin po yung tumutulong sa atin, Director of Network Marketing. Alright? Field, I think, ay nabago na pala yung title na Director of Field Industry Field or Field Marketing. So, yan. Okay, so I forgot. Basta, yun po, Director of Network Marketing. So, siya po yung tumutulong din sa pag-educate our affiliates and grabe po, very hands-on din po ito. Walang pinipili kasi imagine nyo po, 20 to 30 calls, Zoom calls po ang sinasagot niya. Okay? Buong mundo to assist yan, to inspire and to inform our affiliates. And syempre, kasama din po natin dito ang ating mga product formulator and product educator. Ang mga partner si Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. Yan. And they'll make sure talaga na quality po. No? Kasi of course, si Ryan, doctor siya eh. May background din siya sa pharmacist. Ayan. And sila po yung in charge sa paggawa ng quality natin ng mga products. Right? So, sabi pa nga dito, true leadership creates true success. So, parang perfect marriage to, no? Kasi itong si dalawa, si Ben at si Noder, sa business sila. Dalawa naman, si Lisa at si Ryan sa products. So, naging kumbaga perfect marriage kasi, okay, because of their, experience and, knowledge sa field na to. Yan, okay? So, ngayon, alam nyo ba that Amazon started selling books in 1995? Ayan. So, why am I sharing this one? Kasi, ngayon, tingnan nyo naman, Amazon sells almost anything under the sun. Halos lahat andyan na. Okay? Now, here in Live Good, nag-launch po tayo ng membership club. Ayan, with the best physician-grade nutritional products. Live Good, the future will add products and services from other industries as well. You name it, whether it be solar panel, or skincare, or cleaning products, apparel, appliances, or even mga ticketing in airlines, in booking in hotel, lahat po. Alright? So, pwedeng i-add po dito. Why? We are a club membership. Okay? Take note of that. Later on, mas i-discuss po natin yan. So, anything, any products or services can be offered here, high quality, and of course, very affordable. Okay? Our future here, okay, we can see that we will be the Amazon of direct selling or network marketing. Grabe, no? So, ngayon, with our membership model, we save big. And right now, 1.2 na mahigit, I guess, 1.3 na. Okay, and still growing po ang ating members dito. Okay, and with our 9.95 or 99.95 per year membership. Kaya ba itong membership or mga subscription? Ayan, other term po membership or subscription. Ayan, if you're familiar with YouTube Bro, para hindi ka makapanood ng mga ads, and Amazon Prime, Netflix, Disney Plus para makapanood ka ng unlimited movies, 'di ba? Sa Costco. Yan para magkaroon kanila. So lahat po yan sila ay nagbabayad yan monthly or yearly. And tingnan nyo naman po, millions or even hundreds of millions na po yung members nila paying monthly or even yearly sa kanilang subscription. But here's the sad part. Okay, those companies, nababayad ka, of course, enjoy mo naman yung benefits, pero hindi ka po binabayaran. Kumbaga walang cashback. Right? But here in Live Good, we are happy to tell you that we are a membership that pays. Here's the good news. We are a membership that pays. So, paano nangyari yun? Later on, isi-share ko po sa inyo. Kaya again, tune in ka lang. Don't tune out. Ayan. So, right now, we have 20 plus na po ng mga life-changing products. Of course, made in the USA and certified by the GMP and USDA lab tested for purity and potency. Yan. So, here are the products that we have launched last year. You have the CBD Pain Relief Cream. Yan. Pag sumasakit yung mga kasukasuhan mo. Patches, the Energins and Focus. Pagka hindi ka makatulog and kulang ka sa focus na, kulang ka sa energy. Yan. Lalagay mo lang to sa skin mo. Okay? And we also have this collagen. Ayan. Pagka sumasakit na yung mga joints mo, yan kasi good for hair, nails, and joints din po yan kasi yung collagen. Yan, good for skin. Yun. And of course, your gut health. Right? And methylene blue nootropic dissolving shape. So, anti-aging po ito. And we also have our, nakita nyo naman po dyan, our creatine plus HMB. Yan, sa mga nag-gym, ayan, and nagbe-build ng muscles. And good for the brain din po yan. Okay? And here's our essential oils right now, no? And actually, ito po siya medyo right now, nag-stop po ang ating pag-ship pero actually inaayos na po ito kasi because of the shipping, no, nag-ship sa atin I think sa DHL, okay? So pero naka-order po tayo niyan nung time na ni-release po ito kaya ayan, grabe. Maraming benefits din po yan, good for yan pag may humidifier kayo, yan pag nagta-travel ka. Ayan, good for skin din po yan. Ayan, nilalagay din yan. Tapos cleaning din sa bahay natin. Okay? And good for, ayan, pagka hindi maganda yung takbo ng isip mo. Ayan, kumbaga, may headache ka. Ayan, so good yan. Kaya natin mga essential oils. So maraming benefits din po yan. Ha? Of course, highest quality. And syempre, unbeatable prices. And ito naman po, vitamins for children, gummies. Actually, kaka-release lang po nito, no? So medyo nagkaroon ng delay kasi nga dahil sa certifications na USDA, okay? Certifiers, no? So, pero syempre kahit nag-delay, ayan, nailabas pa rin po. Alright? So, excited na rin po tayo na syempre makapag-order na rin po yan this coming week. Right? Ayan. So, ang maganda sa mga products natin kasi we have this what we call certificates of analysis. Alam po ba na ito lang po yung company, natatanging company na nagpapakita ng ganitong analysis. Okay? Kasi may ibang companies, may nag-research din ako sa ibang companies, pero I guess tinatago nila, okay, for privacy. Okay? But tayo, gano'n tayo ka-confident? Ayan, naka-public po ito. You can visit our website, no, www.livegood.com, nasa pinakababa, certificates of analysis. Ayan. And makikita nyo po dyan ang lahat ng mga analysis ng mga products natin. Bakit? Na-test po ang ating mga products eh. Okay? And approved under recognized laboratory alternative labs 4740S. Okay? Ganun kalupit. Okay. Kung meron kang kakilala na sa medical field, like pharmacists or mga chemist, ayan. So I guess alam nila po yan na basahin. Okay? Ganun kalupit mga products natin. So kung quality lang, super high quality. Wala nang question yan. And not just that, our products are also, di ko na babasahin yan, na andyan na po dyan sa screen nyo. Okay? That only tells na our products are organic, no insecticide, pesticide, herbicide, okay, or mga heavy metals like lead, ayan, na pwedeng, makasira sa katawan natin. Kumbaga, lahat talaga as in organic. Na syempre, pagka nag-take ka, high quality na take mo and at the same time, kakaroon ka ng magandang effect sa health mo. Ganon kaganda. Okay? So, we have this wellness for all. So, syempre, iba-iba naman po tayo ng pangangailangan, di po ba? O, meron tayong men's health, nutrition, women's health, skincare, body cleansing, anti-aging immunity, weight management, and energy, and many more to come. Okay? Kasi nga, nag-a-add po tayo ng products, no? Yan, every month. So, paano ba tayo nag-order? So, dalawa pa yung nag-order dito. We can order as a consumer or member. Pag consumer ka, you pay retail low prices. And pag nag-member ka naman, you pay much lower prices. And ito po yung guys, yung sobrang na-appreciate ko, no? Kasi, Live Good is literally, okay? Literally available in over 200 plus countries. Guys, grabe. Kung ikaw yung papapiliin, o ito, baka meron tayong kasamahan dito, mga networker, yan. O shout out sa inyo, baka nagmamasid ka. Kung ikaw papapiliin, anong gusto mo? Ang pang-local ka lang? Every year nag-expand? Or ito na, pagbukas na pagbukas, available na kagad in 200 plus countries. Siyempre, saan ka pa? Yung available ka global, bakit? Pag nag-market ka na ibang bansa, okay? Makakapag-market ka. Hindi ka mahirapan with the shipping of the products. Ayan, with the payout, matatanggap yung payout, magagawa yung business, matatanggap yung products. Yun yung sobrang na-appreciate ko. Kasi bakit? Ito yung literally na no saturation. Hindi masasaturate. Kasi bakit? Global po tayo, literally. Okay? Matatanggap ng lahat ng mga bansa ang kanilang i-order na products, and that includes here in the Philippines. Ganun kalupit. Okay? So, kaya sobrang na-appreciate ko po talaga ito and sobrang na-in-love po talaga ako sa company to. Kasi nga, talagang pangmasa Not just pangmasa, global. Right? Anyone, kahit networker ka, kahit pang everyday people ka, wala kang experience, kaya mong magawa to, kaya mong mag-succeed dito. Okay? Kaya mong magka-resulta dito. Alright? So, going forward, no? So, dito naman po, pag nag-member ka, you save up to 75%. So, this is not a discount. Okay? So, don't get me wrong. It's not a discount, but rather, you can save compared to products in other companies. Okay? So, ngayon, bibigyan lang ako sa inyo ng simple analogy. Itong story ni David and Goliath. Though, alam naman po natin yung si David and Goliath, di po ba? Pinatumba ni David si Goliath with just one stone. Yan, kasi si Goliath siya pinag-represent as yung mga price gouging MLMs. Right? Yung mga companies na nagpapatong ng pagkalaki-laki ng presyo sa mga products. And tayo naman po si Live Good. Yan si David. Yan, small but terrible. Okay? So ngayon, ano pang meron sa mga price gouging? MLM. Actually, this is not to bring them down or para siraan ibang companies. This is just to tell you what's really the truth behind those companies. Right? So, ngayon kasi ang ating CEO po, ito po yung napansin niya, statistics tayo. Okay? Pagka nagpa-price gouge po isang company, including Ben's company before, kasi price gouging din yung traditional company, ang nangyayari po, pag ganun yung konsepto, 95% of the people of that company makes little or no money at all. That's the sad reality. Okay? And less than 1% lang po yung kumikita ng 6 figures in pesos or even 2,000, 3,000 USD. Less than 1% lang. Kasi nga, pag ganun yung konsepto, ang tao nahihirapan i-maintain, nahihirapan magbenta. Okay? To the point, diba? Bibili ng maramihan, malaking package, ilalagay sa Shopee, Lazada, ano pa, TikTok Shop, di ba? Sino lugi ang mga ordinary distributor. Ang mga kawawa, ordinary distributor po talaga. Kasi kinakamada Okay? And yun yung nakita na problem nating company owner, CEO. Pero actually, kailangan po talaga yan nila gawin. Okay? Kailangan po talaga as in. Kasi dyan sila mabuhay Okay? Bakit? Doon po kasi kukunin yung commission, yung bayad sa mga empleyado, mga billboard, mga advertisement. Okay? Ano pa? Kita ng company owner, mga events, pa-raffle. Right? Ano pa? Mga promos or raffles, no? Yan, mga travel incentive. Yun, dyan yan kinukuha and everything. Right? Means, maintenance sa system, dyan din po sa products. Kaya nangyayari, yun nga, konti lang talaga. Okay? Mas marami yung mga nawawalan kaysa sa mga talagang, kumikita talaga. Alright? Ayan. So, ngayon, kaya nga sinabi ito ng ating Director of Network Marketing, si Noder, the days of selling overpriced products so few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. Okay? So, tapos na po yan. So, pag ganun pa rin yung sistema nila, price gouge pa rin, so wala tayong magagawa. Okay? So, pag hindi sila mag-adapt, sila mag-evolve, no? Ayan. So, what happened to David Goliath? Might happen to them. What happened to Goliath? Yan. So, noon talaga reality, no? That's part of the business talaga pag hindi nakapag-adapt. Okay? But, here's the good thing in Live Good. Okay? Again, guys, dito, wala na po tayong price gouge. Alright? So, ano yung point ko? Kung magkaroon tayo ng price comparison, tingnan natin, essential oils. Sa ibang company, same amount no ng price ng essential oil sa essential oils. Sa ibang company, alam niyo magkano binebenta nila? 209 to 250 plus. Tingnan nyo. Sa atin magkano? Same ha? 6 different types of essential oils pero magkano? 49.95. Halos kasing presyo niya na ang isang essential oil sa ibang company. Ganon kalupit. With the quality, no questions na yan. Tama? Tingnan naman po yung pricing. Grabe. With Super Green, sa ibang company, magkano? $70 to $100. Check nyo naman, di ba? Sa atin magkano? 18, nakakanister pa. 1.8, 18 guys. Grabe, no? Or mga around 1,000 pesos lang pag nag-member ka. Ganon kalupit. At our collagen, sa iba magkano? $70 to $80. Sa atin, 27.95. Yung creatine naman, sa ibang company, magkano? Almost 50 to 65 USD. Sa atin, magkano? 19.95. Kaya no wonder, pinagkakaguluhan to kasi bakit? Ang ino-offer po ng Live Good ay affordability and value. Siyempre, pag ikaw, high quality pala to, pwede pala, no? Kasi pag inisip natin, kung high quality, dapat mahal. Pero hindi dapat pala ganun. Pwede palang high quality pero affordable. And yan po ang meron sa Live Good na wala sa iba. Okay? Affordability and value ang ino-offer natin. Alright? So, ngayon, here are the price comparisons with our members and retail price. So, you can check this out sa ating website, no? Yan, like our International Wellness Pack. Ayan. So, itong isang product pa lang po, no? Ayan, itong pack na to, no? Again, hindi to mandatory, na mag-order ka every month. Hindi po, depende po sa trip mo. Okay? Pero grabe, isang worth 89.95 sa ibang company, isang product pa lang yan. Sa atin, ilan? 6. Grabe, no? So, hindi ko na po isa-isahin yung pricing sa mga products natin. So, you can check out that on our website na lang. And other informations as well. Okay? Ayan. So, ito guys, comparison tayo na lahat may evolution eh. Even the businesses, di ba? Look at our information, the way we access information. Di ba? Before, newspaper, radio, TV. Right now, ang daming gadget, laptop, smartphone, tablet. And meron na ngayon, di ba, yung nilalagay na lang sa mata, yung parang eyeglass na lang siya. No? Tapos parang nasa hangin ka lang, di ba? Pindot-pindot. Ano yun? So, nag-i-evolve po talaga. And the way tayo magbumili, barter market, supermarket right now, ang daming e-commerce na, no? Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, Shopee, Lazada. Ang dami na ngayon, may mga bago pa ngayon, no? Meron pa TikTok Shop. And same with the business in direct selling. Dati old multi-level system, 'di ba? Breakaway system, no? Kailangan may 5:1, 5:2, binary multiple heads. Ngayon 1:1 na, left and right. Pero parami ng account, palaki ng package. Yan, hybrid binary multi-level system, mayroon ng unilevel, stair-step, but same concept of the business, price gouging pa rin. Okay, but here's the good news. Why? Andito na po si Live Good. We are an affiliate marketing with subscription that pays. Bago, no? Okay, na dito, again, wala nang mahal na products, no overpricing mga products, no forcing and even selling, for forcing of buying and selling products, wala na po yan. Kaya I can personally say that this is a complete evolution. Okay? Sabi ni Asher, if you don't evolve, you dissolve. You evolve or you evaporate. That's the reality. Ang dami na natin nakita, no? Even mga companies, big companies before. O look at Nokia, 'di ba? Sobrang uso dati, 'di ba? Halos lahat meron. Ano nangyari? Dumating si iPhone, dumating si Samsung, nag-take over, may touchscreen na cellphone. What happened to Nokia? Hindi sila nag-adapt. Ano nangyari? Na-obsolete po sila. Yes, they are still existing now, but hindi na ganun ka gigantic. 'Di ba? Oh, ganun kalupit pag hindi mag-evolve. Okay? Oh, ano pa? Oh, yung Netflix, 'yan, 'di ba? Oh, competitor yung buti na lang si Netflix, no, kasi nakapag-adapt siya. Yung competitor niya is ano yun, pinaparentahan din yun. Okay, na mga CD, ayan, VHS. Alright? Pero ang pinagkaiba lang sa Netflix kasi, yun nga, nag-adapt siya, in-online niya. Alright? Ayan. Oh, so Blockbuster pala, I mean, yun, yung Blockbuster yung kanyang competitor noon dati. Si Blockbuster hindi siya nakapag-adapt kaya yun, na-obsolete. And marami mga companies no na nung pandemic hindi nag-adapt online, what happened to them? Nag-completely closed. That's a sad reality. But that's part of the business. So ibang companies pag hindi sila mag-adapt, hindi na ma-realize na ay kailangan pala natin mag-adapt ng ganito. Kasi ito na yung trend. Sorry na lang. Ganun talaga. And the good news is that here in Live Good, we are in evolution. Okay? Evolution. Bakit? Anong meron tayo? Subscription or club membership or membership. Oh, simple natin na ba yung subscription na yan? Okay? This revenue model in which customer pay weekly, monthly, or yearly. Anong kapalit? Products or services. Pag nagpapaload ka, nagbabayad ka ng kuryente, ng tubig. Okay? Oh, yun po, yun. Yan. So, kumbaga may bumabalik sa even your internet. So, pwede ka mag-renew. Pag ayaw mo na, edi huwag ka magbayad. Pa-cancel mo. Di ba? So, bakit importante ito? Kasi we enjoy the benefits of the subscription. Okay, na-enjoy natin eh. Di ba? And increase customer loyalty and strong customer base. Kasi nga, syempre, sino ba naman sa atin gusto mawalan ng tubig, kuryente, internet? Naging necessity na kasi siya eh. Di ba? So, ayaw natin kaya nagbabayad tayo monthly. Now, advantage ito, it lower the barrier to entry for products and services and allow more potential customers to purchase your product. Okay? Oh, so ano pa yung mga samples no ng ating mga club membership or subscription? No, look at this, that Netflix, HBO Go, Amazon Prime, o baka ngayon subscriber ka dyan. Ang tanong, kumita ka ba? May binalik ba sa'yo? Or baka nagsayang ka lang ng oras dyan? O, sa mga nagji-gym naman, o yan, di ba? Nagbabayad din monthly yan, di ba? Or yearly. Tama? O, anong binalik sa'yo? Siyempre, being fit, healthy. Di ba? Nakapag-gym. Nagagamit mo facility dun sa loob. O, ano pa? O, pamilya ba tayo sa mga life plan, mga security plan, yan, mga insurance, 'di ba? O nagbabayad tayo diyan para pagka may mga nangyaring unexpected or may mga natsogi, may makukuhang benefits, 'di ba? Oh, 'yun po parang subscription na rin po 'yan in the future, o 'di ba? Nilalaanan natin 'yan. Okay? Ano ba gaano kalaking ganitong industry? Expected po ito by next year, 2025, abot po ng 2 trillion US dollar. Imagine mo, makikihati tayo dyan sa 2 trillion na yan. Grabe, no? Ganon kalaki. And I can say that this industry is a blue ocean industry. Bakit? Kukonti pa lang ang nakakapag-adapt nito. Kukonti pa lang ang may alam nito. Kaya masasabi ko ngayon, you are blessed pag naging part ka dito sa Live Good kasi you are in a gigantic, kumbaga literally sleeping giant company. Okay? Sleeping giant company. Alright. So, yan, sampulan natin gaano kalaki itong mga klaseng mga subscription company, alright? Oh. So, look at Netflix. Yan. Oh, tingnan natin Netflix revenue for the 12 months. Tingnan naman po, 'di ba? Umabot po ng 32.7 billion. 'Di ba? Yung binabayaran ng tao na 300, 500. Imagine niyo po. Imagine niyo, ganun kalaking kinikita ng Netflix. 'Di ba? Oh, subconsciously, hindi ka aware kasi nagbabayad ka lang eh. 'Di ba? Okay lang sa'yo, makabayad lang. 'Di ba? Ma-enjoy mo yung mga panonood pero di mo alam, ang laki na pala kinikita ng company na yan. Oh, 'di ba? Hmm. Ano pa? Anong companies pa? Zoom. Ito, ginagamit nating Zoom. Hmm. Ano to, kumbaga lumipad yung kanilang revenue since nag-pandemic. Imagine nyo, from 6 billion, 6 million, 600 million, I mean, 600 million, nag 2.6 billion. Up to now, 4.3 billion na ang kanilang revenue. My goodness. Anong na-enjoy natin? Ito, unlimited tayo nag-uusap ngayon. Marami tayo dito sa Zoom. 'Di ba? Pero walang kita. Oh, ano pa? Oh, Amazon Prime. Oh. Sa subscription fees pa lang binabayaran materially magkano? Kinikita 35.22 billion. Alright, Costco. Ito, skyrocket po talaga kanilang sales. Kasi bakit ang in-offer po nila is affordability and value. Okay? Kaya no wonder, no, ang dami mga company sa subscription based, no, skyrocket po ang kanilang revenue. And that includes this company, Livegood. But the sad part, nagbabayad ka, pero walang binabalik sa iyo na kita. Okay? Oh, pero ngayon, tatanungin kita, seriously, pag may isang company right now na mag-o-offer ng ganitong klaseng concept, subscription, may babayaran tayo monthly, but this time, ma-enjoy mo yung high quality but very affordable na mga products, health products, but at the same time, bibigyan ka ng dividend or share. Oh, gusto mo ba to? Gusto mo bang malaman to? Yan. Ngayon, kung gusto mo, tune in ka lang. Okay? Huwag ka mag-tune out. Tatanungin kita ulit ha. Would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Or more per month? Yan, for those interested in learning with Live Good, stay for the second part of the presentation. Alright? So, ngayon, andito na po ang ating i-discuss ko po sa inyo kung paano mo ma-maximize ang itong klaseng opportunity. Yan. And ikaw na rin yung kumita. Alright, so we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting, as in very exciting, compensation plan in the industry. Masasabi kong first time in the industry, in the history of the excelling, may ganito. Kasi nga, kakaiba po yung konsepto niya eh. Hindi na sa products natin kinukuha ang ating commission para maging affordable siya. Saan? Yan, i-discuss natin yan. So, how to become an affiliate member. Okay? Oh, ma-register ka with your sponsors link, balikan mo yung tao nag-invite sa'yo, and pay $49.95 on your first month. So, yun po ibabayaran natin, o less than 3,000 lang yan, mga 2,950 or 2,900. Okay, first month po natin yan. Okay, yung monthly membership, tsaka yung affiliate fee natin. Yan po. Tapos, the following month, 9.95 na lang, or around 580-90 pesos. 580 or 590 pesos. But if I were you, kung gusto mong makatipid, I suggest mag-annual ka or yearly. Roughly mga 8,200 plus na po yan. So, bayad ka na for the whole year. And the best part niyan kasi may libre kang 2 months. Ayan, libre na sa iyo yung 2 months mo. Kumbaga 10 months lang pero bayad ka na for the whole year. Ayan. So, ano makukuha mo sa 49.95? Access to membership club. Right? So, yan po, baka may magtanong, wala pa po yung physical product. Okay? Kasi membership lang po yan, kaya mura. Kasi nga, separate po yung ating membership at products. Okay, take note of that ha. So ano na access mo? Access to membership club. Okay, so ang ating membership, so ma-access nyo po yan. Okay, ibig sabihin, okay, lahat ng mga discounted na mga products natin, ayan, lahat ng soon, mga services, then ma-access nyo po. High quality and very affordable. Digital marketing products. So we have our website din, not just one, not just two, but yan, later on, i-share ko sa inyo kung ilan. Yan, so digital marketing products. So mayroon tayong mga websites and of course our products din naka-andun na, kalagay na, participate in the Complan, ang ating kitaan, andyan po nakalagay. So ngayon, here's our website. Hindi ka lang bibigyan ng dito ng isa, dalawa, tatlo, kundi 5 and plus and more na mga websites, okay? So, we have this number 1 retail site. Kumbaga, ito ay, yun nga, e-commerce plus dropshipping ready na po tayo. That means, in 200 plus countries, pag affiliate link kasi yan that means na may pangalan mo sa taas. Pag nagsisend ka ng link mo, okay, kahit sa US ba yan, sa Europe, sa Africa, even dito sa Asia, is that, happen. Okay? Sa retail site na yan, pagka nag-order yung mga clients mo, ikaw tagatanggap na ng commission. Ang company bahala mag-ship, mag-pack, mag-collecta ng bayad, and store sa inventory, ikaw taga-kaching-kaching na lang. Ayan, di ba? We also have this Powerline landing page. Diyan po tayo nagre-reserve ng position and of course, nagpapa-member. Ayan. So, yan po yung gagamitin natin. And meron din dyan yung short video ng ating CEO si Ben. Okay, and we also have this corporate site. Okay, kumbaga nandyan po yung information about the company. And meron din po tayong super greens and super reds na landing pages. Yan. Okay, so yun nga, may mga nagustuhan yung products na yan, i-check lang yung video na yan. And yun, pag nag-order sila, punta lang sila sa baba and mag-order sila. Alright? And ito po ang ating plan na structure po sila ng dalawa lang. Okay? Dalawa lang yung structure natin, unilevel and forced matrix. So, ano ba yan? Later, syempre, paliwanag din natin yan. So, of this 8 ways to earn, but mag-focus lang po tayo dito sa 4. The fast start, the matching matrix, and the bonus pools. Alright? And yung other po, syempre, discuss din po natin yan dito. Okay, but quick lang. So, number 1, we have this quick money. If you want to earn fast, no? If you want na makabawi agad, we suggest this quick money. Okay? Quick money. Kumbaga, ito, in layman's term, direct referral. Okay? Nagalaw ka talaga. Okay? So, quick money, fast start bonus. The fast start bonus is a one-time $25 bonus from all new directs that join you and pay the $49.95. Alright? So, kumbaga, pag kami nagme-member sa'yo, nag-join sa link mo, okay? So, bibigyan ka po ng company ng $25 kalahati po sa pinang-member. Okay? Na $49.95. Oh, imagine this. Meron kang napajoin na 4. Dito $25. Meron kang in your following week, meron kang 100 USD. Okay? Kasi weekly to binibigay eh. O, di ba? 2 tao lang, bawi ka na. Kaya walang magagalit sa iyo dito sa mga networkers na kasama natin dyan. Ayan, mga floating networkers. Di ba? Ganun kagaan. Di ba? Kaya, magkakaroon ka ng confident na, talaga, kikita yung mapapasali mo dito eh. Makakabawi agad kasi 2 tao lang, bawi na. Okay? So, we have this, fast start bonus, infinite wide siya. Ibig sabihin, unlimited. Pwede mo i-refer. Okay? And up to 10 levels deep. As you rank up, the deeper, okay, your commissions you will get. Okay? O, may kanya-kanyang mga certain amount yan kung magkano, depending sa rank mo. Alright? Ayan. So, ngayon, paano ba mag-rank up? Yan, ang hirap. Sa bronze, ang hirap. Gaano kahirap? 2 lang. Diba? 2 lang. Oh, 2 lang. ROI ka na, bronze rank ka pa. Ganun kalupit. That's yung benefits mo up to second levels na. And pag nag-silver ka naman, silver po is yun, paano mag-silver? Dito walang back to zero ha. Kung kanina may 2 ka, direct ka lang ng 18 plus ayun nga plus 2 20 lahat. So silver rank ka na. Or di kaya 10 directs plus team of 20 or 3 of directs na nag-bronze plus team of 20, silver rank ka na. Oh, gold naman up to 6 levels, right? 30 directs plus team of 100. Okay? So kung kanina may 20 ka na, so dagdagan mo ng 10. Yan, or di kaya may 20 ka na plus dagdagan mo ng 80 kung masipag ka talaga. O 100 lahat, gold ka na. Okay? Or di kaya 3 over directs na nag-silver plus 100 na total team or 3 over directs na may tigta 30 plus 10. Yan, team of 100. So, gold rank ka na. Okay, platinum rank naman, up to 8 levels. Right? So, sa platinum, 100 directs plus team 500. O di kaya 3 over directs na nag-gold plus team 500 or 4 over directs, may 3. Tigwa 150, yung isa 50, team 500. Platinum rank ka na. And dito naman yung elite rank natin, diamond, up to 10th levels. Yung at least 3 directs mo nag-platinum plus team of 25. O di kaya 5 over directs, may tig 500 na total team plus team of 25. Diamond rank ka na. Alright, so we also have this crown diamond. Ayan, this is our highest, currently the highest, no, na rank natin. Okay, as of I am doing this presentation. So, 2 pa lang po yung crown diamond natin from US and of course, our very own from Philippines. Ayan, okay, si Coach Fernan. Okay, so, ayan, team of 50,000. Okay, 50,000 po yan. Yung, at least yung 5 directs nyo po, may tigta 10,000. Na total team or pwede namang 10 may tig 225 or 20 na may tig 20 25 or 1 to 50, no? Ayan, so crown diamond rank na. Okay? Ayan, so weekly fast start computation. So sabi nila konti yan, di ba? Maliit. Di ba? Maliit naman na nakitaan yan kasi maliit ang puhunan. O, tingnan natin, compute natin. Di ba? Kasi ito siya, maganda kasi anyone can do it. Doable. Very, very doable. Even the everyday people, kayang gawin to eh. Di ba? Kasi ang mura makapag-start. Di mo dito papalabasin yung tao ng millions, hundreds of millions. I mean, hundreds of thousands. I mean, no? Hundreds of thousands sa puhunan, ha? Okay, hindi ganon. Alright? So, ngayon, ito kasi yan. Alright? Yung weekly fast start natin, tingnan nyo, kahit power of 5 lang. Power of 5. Di ba? Lahat tayo may kakilala, di ba? Kaya makapag-start ng sa halagang less than 3,000, di ba? Kayang-kaya. Right? Yung total amount na kikita nyo dyan is 125. Pag nakapag-refer kayang 5. Tapos, turuan natin, guide natin yung 5 natin, mga 25, 125. Yan, total amount. Ulit, yung pwede mong kitain. So, ngayon, at the 10th level, ito, no time frame ha. Pwedeng it can take up to 3, 5, 10 years, 20 years. Sabihin natin, worst case, 20 years. Or even sabihin natin 10 years na lang, 6 million USD. Pwede na ba? Pwede. Tama. Oh, magkano yan? That is 349 million pesos. Grabe. 349 in your 10 years. Pwede na ba? Pang snack, pang kwek-kwek. Di ba? Tuturuan lang natin by 5. Di ba? Kasi mag-rank up tayo lahat eh. Alright? 349. Kaya? Kayang-kaya, di ba? Oh, mayroon sa atin na mas masipag pa eh. Oh, dahil masipag tayo, oh, ito. 'Di ba? At least 30. Alright? Tig to 30, kaya? Oh, meron dito, 'di ba? Mamaya i-share ko sa inyo. Sobra-sobra pa, hindi lang 30. Okay? O, 30, 900. O, tapos tig to 30 lang. 750, 45, 67, 2M. Alright? O, sabihin natin 3 or 5 years na lang. 5 years, 2M USD. Okay na? Pwede na ba? 2M US dollar yan ha. Magkano yung peso? 19 million pesos. Okay na ba? Oh, okay na okay. Tama? Oh. So, ngayon, possible ba yung 30 na directs na yan or 5 directs? Possible. Bakit? Tingnan mo po yung top 1 natin. So, ito hindi ko na po na-update ha. Okay? Top 1 natin, umabot po ng 2,500. Siya pa lang. Okay? Top 1 pa lang natin. Gusto niya mag-diamond, diamond na siya. Sa direct pa lang niya. Grabe, no? Ganun kalupit. Alright? So, ito naman, retirement money. Retirement money, ibig sabihin, pagka in long term to, no? Mag-retire ka na. It can take up to 3, 5 years, 10 years. Okay? So, ito naman, matrix po ito. Monthly naman to binibigay. Di ba, meron tayong subscription, 9.95. Lahat tayo nalagay sa isang malaking matrix. Ngayon, system yung naglalagay ng tao sa atin. Okay? Pagka nagsusubscribe yung mga tao under sa atin, whether invite sa taas, invite mo, okay, meron kang 0.25 cents each person nandyan. Okay? 0.25 cents. Okay? Malit, di ba? Or around 14 pesos, pero wag ka. Bakit? Okay? Ganito yan na-feel. Pag nalagay yung lalagyan yung first level mo, dalawa, 0.50 yan, dollars. Tama? 0.50. Okay? So ngayon, nalagyan yung matrix mo ng dalawa, 0.50 kitain mo. It can be your invite or invite na sa taas mo. Ngayon, pagka nalalagyan naman yung second level mo, okay, ng 4, may $1 ka. Okay? $2 sa third level, $4 pag napuno yan, up to 12 levels. Right? Kailan ito mapupuno? Depende. It can take up to 1, 2, 3, 2, 3 or 5 years. Depende po yan. Okay? Hindi ko masasabi. Okay? Bakit sinasabing retirement income to? Bakit? Kasi long term nga to eh. Hindi to pang 1, 2, 3, 6 months lang eh. Okay? So, ito naman po, pag napuno, whether you are unranked, sabihin, wala kang rank 1 or without invite ka pa, okay? So, at total level, pag napuno yan, kikitain mo is 2,047.50. Okay, yan po yung pwedeng kitain. Pero di ko alam kung kailan. Alright? Pero pag nag-rank up ka, dodoble po siya, 4,000, 8,000, even 16,000. So, worth it ba siya sa mga nag-wait, naghihintay, or yung mga sinasabi namin abangers, ayan, or waiters, or sabihin natin mga busy. Alright? Ngayon, pagka nalalagyan ka na ng tao, first to fourth level, 16, yan po. Kaya kikitain mo dyan is 0.50 to 8 USD per month. So, hindi pa siya enough, di ba, para bayaran yung 9.95 mo na subscription. Tama. Pero wag kang mainip. Bakit? Pag nalagyan yung 5 to 12 level mo, kikitain mo na dyan is 16 to 2,047.50. Right? Per month. So, enough na siya para bayaran ang subscription mo and now you're in profits levels. Okay? So, sabihin natin 1 year na puno. Okay? Yung ano mo, yung matrix mo. Ginastos mo 6,000 plus, tapos doon ka na kumikita ng 113,000 every month. Ang tanong, sulit, sulit na sulit. Sulit. Sabihin natin 3 years. 3 years. Sa 3 years na yan, ginastos mo is 20,000 plus. And after 3 years, nagmamanti ka na 113,000. Sulit or sobrang sulit? Sobrang sulit. Alright? Or sabihin natin 5 years. Sa 5 years na yan, kikita ka ng, nagastos mo is 33,000 plus. Kikita ka ng 113,000 every month. Sulit or sulit na sulit? Sobrang sulit. Bakit? Okay? Take note that the 6,000, 20, and 33,000, dito mo po yung kinuha. Alright? Sa 5 to 12 level. Bakit? Hindi naman po yan hihintayin na mapuno agad lahat yan eh. Okay? As long as may tao na dyan, 5th level, paabutan mo 5th level, siya na po magbabayad sa sarili niya. Self-paying mechanism na po. Alright? So, pero ito, here's the catch. Why we are encouraging you to refer rather than wait for spillover. Okay? Bakit na-encourage? Bakit? Pagka nag-refer ka, weekly, the following week, $25 yung kikitain mo. Isang refer pa lang. Whereas, pagka naghintay kang spillover, mga taong ilalagay sa'yo. Kailangan mo ng 100 katao, ilalagay ng system sa'yo, bago ako kumita ng $25. And ito siya monthly. Maiinip ka. Eh, ang tanong, ikaw lang ba lalagyan ng tao? Ang ganda pa ito, pag nag-refer ka ng dalawa, $50, ROI ka na, bronze lang ka pa. Pero pag kumita ka ng, before ka kumita ng $50, no, sa spillover, kailangan mo muna ng 200 katao. Ang tanong, ikaw lang ba lalagyan? Di ba hindi? Di ba? So, kaya, mas maganda mag-refer kasi weekly ka kikita eh. Okay? Kaysa maghintay spillover, bonus na lang po yan. Alright? Tapos, ito naman po yung, wealthy money. Wealthy, ibig sabihin, syempre, yaman talaga. Pag gusto mo talagang kumita, makuha ang pangarap mo, this is for you guys. Right? So, this is what we call matching bonus. Hindi mo ito left and right, matching. Ibig sabihin, kung magkano kikitain mo, kikitain ng directs mo, kasi lahat tayo may matrix, di po ba? May matrix ka, may matrix sila. Lahat tayo may matrices. Okay? Pagka kumikita sila, meron kang kalahati. Wow, totoo ba yan? Yes, kalahati ng kinikita nila. I remember, no, sa previous company namin, kumita mo yung may natulungan tayo doon, no, na kumita din ng malaki, no? Nag-M Club din, pero wala tayong kalahati doon eh. Wala tayong $500,000. Di ba? Pero dito po, grabe, tulungan mong kumita, tulungan mo lang na kumita ng maganda. Yung mga directs mo dito, may kalahati ka every single month. That is matching bonus. Alright? For example, natulungan mo si Pedro kumita $1,000 USD. Magkano sa'yo? 500. Si Juan kumita 500. Magkano sa'yo? 250. Si Maria kumita ng 100 USD. Sa'yo magkano? 50. Si Marites, instead na kapitbahay yung chichismis, ito na lang. Kumita siya 200. Ikaw magkano? 100. Infinite wide to guys. Infinite wide. Ibig sabihin, unlimited. Di ba? Unlimited. Kaya dito, mas maraming matutulungan natin, mas malaki yung pwede natin kitain. Okay? That is the key. Helping other people. And that's the best part dito kasi generation. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka lang dito kikita sa mga directs mo, kundi sa entire team nila. Do you get my point? Entire team. Pag nag-diamond ka, for example, hindi ka lang 50%. Meron ka bang 3%, 5%, 5%, 10%. Depende sa generation. Pwedeng first, second, third, fourth, even fifth generation. Ganon kalupit. Complicated, pero again, hindi simple directing mo. For example, may nag-diamond sa baba mo, nasa 10th, 15th, 20th level, it can be your first or second generation. Or third. Okay? Or first generation, kasi pinakauna, sabihin natin, first generation siya. Ganun kalupit. Alright? Hindi lang sa kanya, entire team din niya. Di ba? So ito, bakit namin encourage din? If you're really serious, no, sa pag-workout dito sa Live Good, we encourage niya, unahin mo yung family mo. Please lang. Idamay mo na sila. Di ba? Kasi ganoon din, i-workout mo para sa family mo, idamay mo na sila. Di ba? Kahit dalawa, pag hindi mo kaya lahat, dalawa lang muna. Kasi bakit? Pag darating yung time, it can take up to 2, 3, 5, 10 years. Okay? Or darating yung time, let's say na lang, na mapupuno yung matrix mo, ang kikitain mo is 4,085.50 every month. Okay? Ngayon, yung dalawang family member mo, napuno yung matrix din nila, magkano kikitain nila? 2,047.50. So, combine silang dalawa, 4,095. So, dahil invite mo tong dalawang family member mo, may matrix sila, tama. Kikita ka ng kalahati sa income nila. Tigo 1,000, 1,000 plus. Kaya 2,047.50. So, kayong lahat, tatlo, darating ang time sa matrix and matching income nyo, kikita kayo ng 10,238, or that is 500,000 or 573,000 every single month. Guys, take note of this. Every single month. That is month after month after month after month after month after month. Every single month na po yan. Grabe, no? Darating yung time. Simpleng pamilya, kumikita ng ganun. Low-key lang. Diba? Low-key. Hindi na kailangan magyabang. Diba? Kumikita ng ganun kalaki. Diba? Imagine mo, ang daming mga pamilyang Pilipino. Diba? Hindi na mga pamilya yung mga Pilipino yung nangibang bansa. Mga ibang lahi na pupunta sa Pilipinas. Diba? Diba? Kasi isipin nila, paano na lang kung yumaman na yung ano, di ba good? Ibang lahi nang kukunin natin. Diba? Kukunti na mag-OFW. Pupunta na ibang bansa para mamasyal, hindi para magtrabaho. Di ba? Di ba? Mindset. Grabe, no? Kaya, as in, sobrang, ang masasabi ko lang, ang dami nito matutulungan. Mababago yung buhay. Okay? Ito naman, kung kikita ng ganun, dalaw pa lang napasali, how much mo pag nag-refer ka? Let's say, nag-refer ka 20, ha? Itong 20, sabihin nating busy tao. Pero dumating yung time, na puno to lahat, yung matrix, lahat nila. Mayroon silang kita, lahat, no, na 2,047.50 sa matrix. Kasi nababayad yun every month, yung subscription, Diba? So, may kalahati ka, 1,023.75. So, all in all, sa 20 na yan, meron kang matching, 20,475. Magkano monthly income mo? That is 1.1 million month after month after month after month after month after month income. Imagine nyo guys, no? Kasi, even simpleng nanay, kayang gawin to Simpleng nanay. Bakit? Meron kakilala. Di ba? Mga kamarites, kumare, kumpare. Di ba? Yung mga ibang mga kaibigan, ka-Facebook, ka-churchmate. Di ba? Ka-barangay. 20, kayang-kaya Magkano lang naman para sumali? Magkano lang naman yung subscription? Para ma-maintain yung membership. Di ba? Imagine mo, simpleng nanay. Simpleng nanay. Mababago yung buhay. Simpleng tatay. Di ba? But here's the vision. Hindi tayo nagtatapos dyan. Ito yung vision. 100 solid direct. That means 100 na diamond. Take note of this. 100 na diamond. Okay? Kasi pag nag-diamond yan, what will happen? Okay? What will happen, guys? Siyempre, kikita sila, no? Pupuno yung matrix sila, kikita sila. Meron kang matching. 8,181.75. So, all in all, 819.175 pwede yung kitain, or that is 45 million pesos every single month. That is month after month after month after month after month. Guys, sabihin na lang natin, nauubos mo 5 million every month. Yung kalahati ng 45 dyan, na ibibigay mo sa charity, sa church, sa organization, ipapatayo ng mga, alam niyo na, yung mga home for the aged, diba? Yung mga home for the homeless people. Grabe. Even the government, syempre, magtatababay ng tax, diba? Syempre, malaki yung tax kasi malaki naman kinikita mo. Diba? Kaya, grabe, ang dami. With this opportunity, guys, diba? Sana yung pangarap din natin, no? Pangarap, diba? Kung nangangarap din kayo, no? Maging first world country din tayo. Man lang. Mangyari, no? Kaya, I can see, no, with this opportunity here in Live Good, we will be creating the most and the highest income earner the industry have never seen. Kasi sa Pilipinas, magkano yung pinakamalaking kinikita 7-8 million pesos. Pesos yan Pero dito, di ba, simpleng tao lang, simpleng kumikita ng ganun. My goodness. Di ba? So sana nakaka-catch up. Alam ko malaki. Tama, malaki. Ang laki naman yan. Parang imposible mangyari. Yes, ngayon imposible. Pero because we have the system, we have this pay plan 'Di ba? Diniscuss ko sa inyo. Ang imposible pwedeng maging I'm possible. 'Di ba? Possible, 'di ba? I'm possible. 'Di ba? Naniniwala ka ba? Alright? That is the future. That is the future. And hopefully, nakukuha mo, nakaka-catch up mo. 'Di ba? Kasi pag nakikita mo yung vision, pwede mangyari. Alright? Ayan. So, ngayon naman, we have this retail commissions then up to 10 levels deep. Okay? 50% bonus naman of the difference between members price and retail price. So, kumbaga, for example, merong patong yung product natin, $6. Pag nakabenta ka, yung patong na $6, $3 sa'yo, $3 sa company. Hati lang. And infinite wide 10 levels deep din. Okay? And influencer bonuses, pagka influencer ka, ayan, yun, titiktok ka, di ba, marami kang followers. Yan, pag nakabenta ka ng komitong quota, like example, 50,000. Di ba kanina, yung $6 hati, di ba? 3 sa'yo, 3 sa company. Ngayon, mangyayari, yung lahat ng patong na yun, yung $6 mismo, pwede ibigay sa'yo. O, di ba? Ganon kalupit. And ito naman, dinagdagan pa, customer acquisition bonuses. Lahat ng direct mo, nag-order. First order nila ha, ibibigay yun ng 10%. Kukunin yung 10%, ma-paid out yun as customer acquisition bonus. Oh, ganun kalupit. Alright? 10 infinite wide and 10 levels deep. And ito din po, yung pinaka inaasam natin, no? Talagang i-hit din natin po, diamond bonus pool. Right? Kasi ito yung 2% sales. Lahat ng sales buong mundo. Whether in Asia, Africa, Europe, US, no, Canada, in North Pole. Ayan, lahat ng continent. Basta buong sales ng Live Good sa buong mundo, i-divide po yan. Like for example, 15M times 2%, 30,000 USD. So sabihin natin, meron palang 60 diamonds. So, tiglo 5,000 po yung lahat ng diamonds. Right? And ito naman, rich and famous money, crown diamond bonus pool, 0.5%. So, as of now, meron pa lang tayong dalawang crown diamond. No, 1 year mahigit na. Dalawa pa lang crown diamond. And baka soon, magkaroon na yung crown diamond. No? So, 15,000 USD. 15 million, I mean. Okay? So, hatiin yan, 0.5%. 75 USD. 75,000 USD. So, divide 2 crown diamond, 37.5. Or I think, mga around 2M mahigit. Grabe, no? On top of the earnings na na-receive. No? Ganon kalupit. And may proof na ba may kumikita? Of course. O, isa na rin po tayo dyan. Okay? And ito po, in 13 months time po, nagkaroon po ng 1 million US dollar club. Yeah, that's USD. Walang company nakagawa ng ganun. Grabe, no? In 13 months time, may kumita ng roughly 56 to 57 million pesos. Diba? And next time, di ko ka ma-time na hindi lang yan 13 months, every month na po yan may kumikita ng ganun. 1 million USD. Diba? Ganon kalupit. And tayo, kahit pa paano, na-experience po natin na talagang kumita talaga. As in, grabe. Okay, yun yung masasabi ko. But again ha, yung income natin may vary dito sa pagtrabaho natin, seriousness, sa time na irelaan natin dito. Okay? Pero that is the future. That is your future. Alright? So, guys, we have right now 1.2 or 1.3 M na in 16, almost 17 months na, no? Breaking records pa lang. Breaking record po talaga. Okay? And ito naman po, no, tayo po ay nasa tip of the iceberg pa lang. Kasi bakit? Nasa 1.2 or 1.3 M pa lang po tayo na subscribers globally. And yung binivision po natin sa tip of the iceberg na yan, first 10 million subscribers. Ang projection po natin this year, 3 to 5 million subscribers will be joining. Okay? Until December. And 20 to 200 million subscribers will be joining in the years to come. And even half billion. That is the future. Half billion members. And we will be a household name. Live Good will be a household name. Alright? And right now, guys, kung nagpa-pray ka, ganyan lang, baka ito na. Okay? Baka ito na yung opportunity na hinahanap na pinagpa-pray mo. Ang kailangan mo lang take action. Bakit? Ang dami na nagbago yung buhay eh.